Christy, I want to ask you something. Why do you want to go to Philippines?
Because I want to see Kuya Kanyan's son.
What about the one you told me? You want to see who? From the Be My Lady?
Phil.
You want to see Phil?
Mm-hmm. Because he speaks English. Me too.
Okay. You talk to the camera and you tell Phil. Huh? You swallow first. What did you tell me?
I wanna go to Philippines because I wanna eat Phil.
You wanna meet Phil?
Because
Who's Phil?
the one from the Be My Lady.
Why do you wanna see him?
Because he speaks English.
And what else? He's
gwapo.
What do you wanna say to Phil?
Hi, Phil.
What about Pinang? Nars and Miggy.
Pinang, Nars, and Miggy?
Do you wanna see them too?
Yeah. I want to see Nars and Miggy because they're funny.
Yeah, I know, right? Pinang also, she's funny and she's pretty.
I wanna see her.
But they're in Manila, not in Cebu.
But Phil is in Philippines?
Yeah, in Manila, not in Cebu.
Then, but how about Phil? Where is he?
He's in Manila.
I want to see him.
Want to see him? What do you want to do with him?
I want to meet him.
And talk to him?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to him?
Hi, Phil.